Hi, it's Duquesa from the Evolving Woman TV. On this show, I share tips, tools, and resources to help women transform their lives. I empower women to feel confidence in their authentic selves so that they can embrace an invigorating life with purpose and ease. I'd love to read your comments. So be sure to drop how you feel about these bold, juicy conversations in the comment section below. Today, we're talking about how to start living authentically. As I stood on the stage with the other nominees for the Leader of the Year award, I should have felt really proud of myself. Being a nominee for this prestigious award was a serious accomplishment. In the audience were team leaders and managers, all cheering and rooting for their favorite candidate. The energy in the room was high. People were excited and anxiously awaiting the announcement of the winner. But as I stood there, I couldn't help to think about the fact that instead of being nominated for this award, I wish I was recognizing and celebrating myself for living a happy, fulfilled, and purpose driven life. A life truly authentic to my deepest desires. Instead, there I was, feeling like this job was sucking the life out of me. And the irony is, I was being awarded for it. Growing up, it had been ingrained, I dare say brainwashed, that we go to school, get good grades, go to college, graduate, find a good job, get married, build a family, and blah, blah, blah. But who exactly created the rules that said this was the way life should be? Why isn't it not normal for us to pursue our passions and work in careers that maximize our strength zones? After all, we're happiest when we do the things we love. My mom was against me leaving my safe job to become self employed. She was a traditional woman who focused more on the risk than on the possibilities. Traditional made me feel boxed in, like I was in a cage. It restricted my creativity and had me feeling like I was dying inside. Wanting to make my mom happy and give her the sense that I was safe on a job that would provide for me and my family, I worked in the corporate world for much longer than I really wanted to. During that period of time, though, I struggled with anxiety, depression, and feelings of insufficiency. Every morning I woke up nauseous as I thought about going to work. I had to then ask myself if being physically, mentally, and emotionally ill to please someone other than me was worth it. And the answer was a resounding no. I deserved to be happy. I deserved to pursue the career that was pulling at me even in my dreams. I was enough to be successful at it. And so I took a calculated risk on myself, stepping into the career of my dreams, and I've been happy and fulfilled ever since. We are born to achieve, to be highly motivated to accomplish the things that are important to us. Our initiative goes into overdrive when we're passionate about the things that we do. When we are passionate, we see challenges as opportunities and believe that even if the solution is difficult, it would be worthwhile. Right now, I ask you to think about how different your life would be if you were secure and calm, socially and emotionally strong, more in tune with your intuition, committed to personal growth and development, not afraid to admit to mistakes, open to receiving feedback from others optimistically, and more open to working with people who have different skills and talents, but their values aligned with yours. It's okay. Really, it is okay for our beliefs to be different from others. Living our authentic desires opens the door to happiness, and you have the right to be happy. What would you be doing right now? What would your career be like? What would your family life be like? What would your friendships look like? What would your love relationships look like if you weren't concerned about what other people thought of them? Now, how did this conversation make you feel? Were there any moments of discomfort? Were there any moments of aha? I'd really like to hear about it. So let's create this dialogue. Share your comments with me because I'd love to receive them. And then share this video with a friend who may need a reminder that she is worth it.